Why am I unable to receive the verification code on my phone even after multiple attempts?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're addressing a common problem that a lot of us have experienced at one point or another. Why am I unable to receive the verification code on my phone, even after multiple attempts? We'll be delving into the possible reasons behind this issue and, more importantly, how you can resolve it.
What could possibly be wrong?
The problem of not receiving verification codes is more common than you might think, and it can stem from a variety of reasons. Let's explore a few of the main ones. 1. Network issues. Sometimes, poor cellular reception or network congestion might be the culprit. Your service provider may be experiencing difficulties that can delay or block SMS messages. 2. Wrong number. It may sound simple, but double-checking the number you've provided is crucial. A single-digit error can send your code somewhere else. 3. Spam or message blocking. Your phone may be set to block unknown numbers or filter out certain messages. 4. System or server issues. The problem may be from the sender's side. Their servers might be overloaded or experiencing technical issues, delaying the delivery of your verification code.
How can I fix it?
After understanding the possible reasons, let's discuss how you can address this issue. 1. Check your network. Make sure you have good cellular reception. If you're in a location with poor coverage, try moving to an area with better signal strength. 2. Confirm your phone number. Always ensure you've entered the correct phone number. It's a small detail but can make all the difference. 3. Check for message blocks. Look into your phone's settings to see if you've accidentally enabled message blocking or spam filtering. If so, disable these features, at least temporarily. 4. Contact customer support. If you've tried everything and are still unable to receive the verification code, contact the service provider's customer support. They can check if there are any issues from their end. And that's it. We hope this video has helped you understand why you might not be receiving your verification code and what you can do about it. Remember, while technology makes our lives easier, it sometimes requires a bit of troubleshooting. Stay patient and keep exploring solutions. See you in the next video.